If you see a .ddd file, you are likely dealing with the Alpha 5 database or a German construction format. You cannot open this with Excel. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the specific viewers required for this data. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single DDD file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. The DDD extension is universally interchangeable with other files in the data file group. This document is encapsulated by the Alpha 5 data dictionary file format. The DDD file is a highly proprietary database and application file created by Alpha Anywhere, Alpha Software. It contains the structure, data tables, and application logic necessary to run a custom-developed database, application, or web application component. Developed by Alpha Software, the design rules are closed source and focus on cross-platform application deployment. The file contains a complex relational database structure and requires the Alpha Anywhere runtime environment to be accessed, as it is not a simple data file but an executable component of a larger database system. The preferred application for managing the DDD file is Alpha Anywhere, Alpha Software from Alpha Software. Windows only supports a simple read mode, not the dedicated analysis this file needs. Windows has limited support for data structures, so proper viewing depends on matching tools. Your first step to definitive access, right-click the DDD file and choose Open With. If Alpha Anywhere, Alpha Software is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If the DDD file is still giving you trouble, relax. The failure of the file is predictable. Here are the most common technical reasons this specific DDD error occurs on most Windows systems. First, use analysis software. Transfer the file to a PC and use specialized tachograph analysis or fleet management software designed to read and process .ddd files. Next, perform new download. If the file is corrupt or incomplete, follow the vehicle's tachograph instructions to perform a fresh manual download using the tachograph key. Finally, check download key. Ensure the tachograph download key or device used to retrieve the file is working correctly and has sufficient storage before attempting another download. When your results show the problem is unique to this DDD format, you now need a specialized viewer. This tool is built to handle precisely these types of files and is worth the attempt. Get the File Magic Universal tool now. It's my top recommendation for opening your stubborn DDD file instantly. FileMagic.com. That was the most time-saving solution. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.